Inside part still clean and the handle still in good shape, no cracks. The lip part no cracks at all. And the inside still clean, no foul smell. Edge part is still clean. Look at that. Edge is clean. Look. And with dust bag pa siya. Okay. And this is it. Like that. Maliit lang siya. Ganyan lang siya, mga madam. Personal siya. And it can be kili-kili bag. Ayan siya. Okay, the price is 240,000 yen.